Welcome to our channel. Angel numbers are divine codes sent by the universe. Among them, angel number 1212 is a prosperity key. This number carries the vibration of Sun, Moon, and Venus. It holds the secret to unimaginable success and wealth. When used correctly, it aligns you with cosmic prosperity. The practice is simple yet deeply powerful. You write it with a green pen. You focus on the ring finger. You activate the flow of abundance. Step by step, we will explore how this works. Number 1. It is ruled by the sun. Number 1 is the vibration of the sun. The sun represents courage, confidence, and success. It is the light that clears away darkness. It is the power that leads and inspires. When you connect with number 1, you awaken leadership. You also awaken the ability to start fresh. Sun brings you strength in tough times. The sun fills you with vitality and energy. With sun energy, you shine brighter than obstacles. Number 2 is ruled by the moon. Number 2 is the vibration of the moon. The moon represents peace, balance, and harmony. It is soft, nurturing, and healing. The moon brings patience and emotional wisdom. It teaches you to stay calm under pressure. It balances the fiery energy of the sun. With moon energy, you become stable and focused. Relationships improve under moon vibration. Intuition grows stronger with the moon. Sun and moon together. When sun and moon combine, power meets peace. You become strong yet balanced. You act with courage but also with wisdom. Success flows without stress. This union prepares you for greater abundance. It removes confusion and doubt. It builds harmony between your goals and emotions. It allows you to move with clarity. Sun lifts you up, moon keeps you steady. Together they form the foundation of prosperity. Number 6 is ruled by Venus. When you add 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, you get 6. 6 is ruled by Venus. Venus is the planet of wealth, beauty, and love. Venus brings financial growth and prosperity. Venus energy attracts luxury and abundance. It also enhances creativity and charm. With Venus, money flows with ease. Opportunities arrive with struggle. Life feels more fulfilling and beautiful. This is the true essence of 1212. Writing with green pen. Green pen represents money, growth, and prosperity. Writing 1212 with a green pen activates Venus. It sets the vibration of abundance into motion. Every stroke carries the energy of wealth. Every number written radiates prosperity. Green connects the number to financial blessings. It's a simple but powerful spiritual practice. Writing daily creates a magnetic attraction. You begin to notice money shifts. Ring finger activation. The ring finger is ruled by the sun. It is connected to power and authority. When you wear rings here, you activate sun energy. Sun and Venus merge in the ring finger. This union unlocks unimaginable prosperity. Sun gives you strength to hold wealth. Venus gives you wealth to enjoy life. Together they create balance and success. This is why the ring finger is chosen. Daily practice. Take a green pen. Write 1212 slowly and mindfully. Place focus on the ring finger. Visualize sun shining within you. Visualize moon calming your mind. Visualize Venus pouring abundance into your life. Repeat silently 1 2 1 2 as you write. Chant 1 2 1 2 as you write instead of chanting 12 12 directly. This is more effective. Feel the energy of prosperity rising. Repeat this daily with devotion. Result will begin to show naturally. Effects of practice. Money flow improves. Unexpected financial opportunities arrive. Stress about wealth decreases. Self confidence grows stronger. Relationships feel more balanced. Intuition guides you toward right choices. Work feels more aligned with purpose. New doors of success open up. You attract support and help. You feel more secure about the future. Why write with green pen? Green is the color of money. Green is the color of Venus. It activates growth and expansion. Writing in green sets your intention. Every number written carries vibration. Writing daily builds energy. Green attracts opportunities of wealth. It strengthens your prosperity ritual. It reminds your mind of abundance. Simple practice brings big results. Power of 1 2 1 2 together. Sun gives you power. Moon gives you balance. Venus gives you wealth. When combined, 1 2 1 2 is unstoppable. It is a code of harmony and prosperity. It aligns your inner and outer world. It attracts wealth with stability. 1 2 1 2 becomes your prosperity path. Why write with green pen? Green is the color of money. It activates growth and expansion. Writing in green sets your intention. Every number written carries vibration. Results of consistent practice. You begin to attract financial opportunities. Your inner doubts dissolve slowly. Relationships feel more balanced. Confidence grows stronger every day as money flows without much struggle. People begin to notice your glow. Your aura feels magnetic. Prosperity becomes natural to you, expanding into daily life. Write 1 2 1 2 each morning with devotion. Pause and breathe as you write. Focus on gratitude while writing. Imagine money flowing into your life. Imagine Venus blessing your ring finger. Imagine sun shining courage in your heart. Imagine moon calming your thoughts. Carry this vibration throughout the day. Return at night with gratitude. Thank the universe for guidance. Unimaginable prosperity. Prosperity is not only money, it is happiness and peace. It is balance and harmony. It is opportunities and growth. Angel number 1 2 1 2 unlocks all of this. It is a divine prosperity code. Sun gives strength, moon gives balance. Venus gives wealth, beauty, and joy. Ring finger channels this union. Green pen seals the energy. Conclusion. Angel number 1 2 1 2 is a direct blessing from the universe. It combines sun, moon, and Venus energies. It teaches you courage, balance, and prosperity. Daily practice awakens unimaginable wealth. Writing with green pen activates Venus flow. Ring finger channels sun power into prosperity. Together they unlock abundance. Believe in this practice fully. Align your energy with faith. Prosperity will flow into your life. Angel number 1 2 1 2 is your path to success. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.